Are you excited to improve your driving in 2025? We're revealing 5 revolutionary car gadgets you should know. These gadgets, from intelligent dash cams to cordless charging stands, will change how you drive. Smart dash cams with AI integration. Smart dash cams with AI integration use AI to analyze road conditions, spot possible dangers, and give alerts as you drive. These cutting-edge dash cams boost driving safety, help document accidents, and work to prevent crashes. Well-known models include the Garmin Dashcam 67W, Nextbase 622GW, and Vantrue N4 Pro. These gadgets offer features like high-quality video recording, control by voice, and built-in GPS to document incidents. Wireless charging mounts and pads. Wireless charging mounts and pads make it easy to charge your smartphone while you drive. They get rid of messy cables and give your phone a safe spot to sit, so you can use navigation, play music, and make hands-free calls. You can find different brands on Amazon and other stores. These gadgets keep your phone charged and within reach, which makes driving more convenient and fun. Bluetooth FM transmitters. Bluetooth FM transmitters have an influence on your car's stereo system. They let you play music and make calls through the car radio frequency. They produce louder and clearer sound, which makes them useful for older cars without Bluetooth or new infotainment systems. You can find different brands on Amazon and other stores. These gadgets help you enjoy good audio and hands-free calling while driving. Portable jump starter. Portable jump starters are small devices that help you start your car without another vehicle. They often have USB ports to charge other gadgets and built-in flashlights to use in emergencies. You can find different brands on Amazon and other stores. These gadgets make sure you don't get stuck with a dead battery. Keep one in your car to feel safe. Smart tire pressure monitoring systems. Smart tire pressure monitoring systems give you instant updates about your car's tire pressure, which helps keep you safe and save gas. These clever systems play a part in keeping tire pressure where it should be, which means your tires last longer and your car handles better. You can find different brands on Amazon and other stores. Using a good tire pressure monitoring system keeps your tires in good shape, making your drive smoother and safer. And there you have it. These 5 car gadgets will make your driving better in 2025. Do you already own any of these gadgets for your car? Tell me in the comments below. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos about cars. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Until we meet again, stay safe on the road and have a great time driving.